Lesson: Governance Models for Tokenized Ecosystems. Governance models for tokenized ecosystems are critical in ensuring the sustainability, security, and efficiency of blockchain ventures. Tokenized ecosystems, which utilize blockchain technology to tokenize assets or services, require robust governance to manage the decentralized nature of operations and interactions. Effective governance models provide the framework for decision-making, conflict resolution, and resource allocation, thereby ensuring that all stakeholders' interests are balanced. One of the primary governance models in tokenized ecosystems is on-chain governance, which utilizes the blockchain itself to execute governance decisions. This model leverages smart contracts to automate decision-making processes, thus ensuring transparency and reducing human error. On-chain governance allows token holders to vote on proposals directly, with their voting power typically proportional to their holdings. This system is evident in projects like Tezos, where stakeholders can vote on protocol upgrades and changes. The advantage of on-chain governance is its ability to provide a decentralized and transparent decision-making process that can adapt quickly to new challenges. However, it also risks centralization if a small number of token holders control the majority of voting power, potentially leading to decisions that favor a minority over the majority. Off-chain governance, on the other hand, involves decision-making processes that occur outside of the blockchain. This model often involves discussions and debates in forums, meetings, or working groups, with decisions implemented through human intervention. Bitcoin's governance serves as a prime example of off-chain governance, where consensus is achieved through community discussions and deliberations. While off-chain governance can incorporate a broader range of inputs and allow for more nuanced decision-making, it can be slower and more susceptible to influence from dominant community members. Hybrid governance models combine elements of both on-chain and off-chain governance to leverage the strengths of each while mitigating their weaknesses. A project like Decred employs a hybrid model, using on-chain voting mechanisms for high-level decisions and off-chain discussions for more detailed deliberations. This approach provides a balanced framework that supports both rapid decision-making and comprehensive stakeholder engagement. Practical tools and frameworks are essential for effectively implementing governance models in tokenized ecosystems. One such tool is the quadratic voting system, which allows stakeholders to allocate votes proportionally to their preferences, thereby mitigating the influence of large token holders and encouraging more equitable decision-making. Quadratic voting has been successfully applied in projects like Gitcoin grants, where it has facilitated fairer fund allocation among community projects. Frameworks like the DAO stack also provide infrastructure for decentralized governance, enabling organizations to create and manage decentralized autonomous organizations with customizable governance protocols. DAO stack allows for modular governance structures, enabling projects to tailor their decision-making processes to their specific needs and contexts. This flexibility is crucial in tokenized ecosystems, where diverse stakeholder interests and rapidly changing environments require adaptable governance solutions. Implementing these governance models and tools involves several practical steps. Initially, it is crucial to define the governance objectives and identify the stakeholders involved. This process ensures that the governance model aligns with the project's goals and addresses the interests of all relevant parties. Next, selecting the appropriate governance tools and frameworks is essential. Factors such as the project's size, complexity, and stakeholder diversity should guide this selection process. For instance, a small community-driven project might benefit from a simple on-chain governance model, while a large, complex ecosystem might require a hybrid approach with advanced voting mechanisms. Once the governance model is selected, deploying and testing the system is crucial. This phase involves implementing the governance protocols and conducting simulations or pilot tests to identify potential issues. Continuous monitoring and evaluation are essential to ensure the governance system remains effective and responsive to changing needs. Feedback mechanisms, such as regular stakeholder surveys or community forums, can provide valuable insights into the governance system's performance and areas for improvement. Case studies of successful governance implementations can provide valuable insights and lessons for professionals seeking to enhance their proficiency in this area. One such example is MakerDAO, a decentralized stablecoin platform that employs a sophisticated governance model involving both on-chain and off-chain elements. MakerDAO's governance system allows token holders to vote on key decisions, such as adjusting collateral requirements or selecting Oracle providers, while also incorporating off-chain discussions and analysis to inform decision-making. This approach has enabled MakerDAO to maintain stability and resilience in its ecosystem, even during periods of significant market volatility. Another example is the governance model employed by Polkadot, which features a multi-layered approach involving a council, a technical committee, and a public referendum system. This structure enables Polkadot to balance the need for rapid decision-making with the requirement for broad stakeholder involvement and accountability. Polkadot's governance model demonstrates the importance of incorporating diverse perspectives and expertise into the decision-making process, ensuring that governance decisions are both informed and representative. Statistics on the effectiveness of various governance models also highlight key trends and insights. For instance, research has shown that projects with robust governance frameworks tend to achieve higher levels of community engagement and satisfaction, leading to increased project stability and success. Additionally, decentralized governance models have been associated with greater innovation and adaptability, as they allow for more dynamic and responsive decision-making processes. In conclusion, governance models for tokenized ecosystems play a crucial role in ensuring the sustainability and success of blockchain ventures. On-chain, off-chain, and hybrid governance models offer different approaches to decision-making, each with its own strengths and challenges. Practical tools and frameworks, such as quadratic voting and DAO Stack, provide valuable resources for implementing effective governance systems. By understanding and applying these models and tools, professionals can address real-world challenges and enhance their proficiency in blockchain governance. Case studies and statistics further illustrate the effectiveness of various governance approaches, offering valuable lessons and insights for practitioners. As tokenized ecosystems continue to evolve, the importance of robust and adaptable governance models will only grow, making this a critical area of expertise for blockchain governance and compliance specialists.